Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be playing the WindWaker HD with sound effects! Let's get straight into it. The Legend of Zelda, the WindWaker HD, with sound effects. You know what? We're gonna restart, you know what I mean? We're just gonna restart. Why not? All of that progress for nothing. I love it. I love it. We just restarted so much progress. Alright, here we go. Get out of here. Fuego. That's my name. I'm gonna do it in hero mode. You take double damage and won't be given recovery hearts at any point. This mode is only for the truest heroes. Woo! Outset Island. Let's begin.
Big brother!
It was good, shorty.
Get out of my way! Big brother! Where did he go? I'm gonna find him. Big brother! Wake up!
Is someone talking to me? Oh, I had a crazy dream of a fat Latina. I need to be here. Whoa, whoa! When did you get here? Hey, do you remember what today it is? No. You're still half asleep, aren't you? Did you forget? Big brother, today is your birthday! Oh! Grandma's been waiting for you to come back to the house. She's waited for a while now. It's a good thing I came to find you. You should probably go home and see what Grandma wants, don't you think? Yeah, whatever. That dream was crazy. You should have seen it. A Latina was going ham on that turkey. I wanted to go in and in and in and in and... Okay. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. Ugh, who are you? Ah! You got a nasty booger coming out of your nostrils. Heck nah. Yeah, I'm a child, so I have to keep it PG. Grandma! Grandma! What do you want? Oh, are you up here? Grandma! Oh, there you are. I've been waiting for you, Fuego. Fuego. Try these on. Time certainly flies. I can't believe you're already old enough to wear these clothes. Ugh, you got the hero's clothes. They look like they might be a little warm for this weather. Grandma, I don't want to wear them. Don't look so disappointed, dear one. Just try them on. Today is a day to celebrate. It is the day that you have become the same age as the young hero spoken of in all the legends. You only have to wear them for one day, so don't look down. Be proud, child. Do you think I look proud? In the olden days, this was the day boys were finally considered to be men. They were taught the ways of the sword to prepare them for battle with their enemies. But we don't live in such an age any longer. Our ways are the ways of peace. Nowadays, I suppose Orca is the only one on the island who still knows anything about swordplay. Oh, hanging the family shield on the wall as decoration and another has been carried down from those days. What a wonderful tradition, you know what I mean? Does all this make sense to you, dearie? Yes. Isn't that nice, Fuego? They suit you perfectly. A perfect fit. Well, tonight I'm going to invite the whole town over for your birthday party, so I better start getting... Oh, my goodness, I suck at dialogue. So I better start getting ready, shouldn't I? Your grandma is going to make your favorite soup for you tonight. I just know you're looking forward to it. Now, go get your sister, Ariel. I gotta go find my sister. Hoy, Fuego! Hey, is it true that you just have a little courage and run as fast as you can and you can jump to that rock out there? Is it? Tell me! How about I show you? Whee! Yeah! Ah! Yay! I am rich! I believe my sister should be this way. Hoy, my name is Fuego. I live on an island called Outset Island. Yeah, it's pretty boring, but I have a sister and grandma, and that's what I call family. Hey, sis, what are you doing? Ah, hoy, big brother. Did grandma make that outfit for you? Yeah, and it sucks. Oh, wow, you look like you'd be way too hot in those clothes. Yes, I know. I guess they're pretty neat, though. Yeah, I wish they were red, though. So, anyway, Fuego, can you close your eyes and hold out your hand? Just for a second. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. I'm going to give you my most treasured belonging, but just for one day. Happy birthday! Whoa, you got the telescope. This is your sister's most precious belonging. Treasure it dearly. So, well, do you like it? I'm letting you borrow this special gift just because you're my big brother. Aren't you lucky? Oh, why don't you try it out? Right now. Try looking over at our house from here. Alright, I guess. How do we do this? Do we, Ah, nice. Big brother, are you using zoom in? Yeah, okay, zoom in. What the? Who is that? What the? Who is this? The postman looks kind of weird, doesn't he? Ah! Fuego! The sky! Look up in the sky! What do you mean, look up in the sky? What am I supposed to look at? Look up in the sky! Look up in the sky! What are you talking about? I can't see anything. Oh. Wait, what? Who's that? What's with the giant bird? What? Rocks? A pirate ship! What the heck? Are they trying to kill the bird? Oh, shoot.
Almost there. Wait. Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Fuego, this is so terrible! That girl fell into the forest. She needs help. But it's too dangerous for you to go in there without something you can use to defend yourself, right? Oh, yeah. Didn't my grandma mention anything about a guy named Orca? He probably knows a little something about swordplay. All right, let's go ask him. Next time, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see part 2 of... Whoa, I'm about to say Skyward Sword. If you guys want to see part 2 of WindWaker HD with sound effects, you gotta hit the like button and subscribe so you will see another video. I will never date a hoe. I will get married to someone who's beautiful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take care and peace!